Guys, this is the interface of VMware Workstation, and here only we will create the virtual servers. After creating the virtual servers, we will see how to install the operating system. So let us create a virtual server or virtual machine. We'll select this first option and we'll go with the recommended setting, which is typical. Then we'll click next, and you will get three options here: installer disk image file, and I will install the operating system later. So you will select the third option, I will install the operating system later. We will create the virtual machine first, then we'll install the operating system. This is the meaning of this third option. Then we'll click next, and we are going to install the Windows operating system. Okay, so Microsoft Windows. And what is the version we are going to install? We are going to install Windows Server 2022. Okay, and this VMware Workstation, they have not updated their software. Okay, they have this option till Windows Server 2019. So we will select the latest version available on this workstation, but we will install Windows Server 2022 only. Okay, so you will select this option here, then we'll click next, and we will provide the path to this virtual machine. Where do you want to save this virtual machine? On your computer, on your local computer. So we'll go to C, we'll create one folder, new folder, and MCSE 7 p.m. batch. So we will save the virtual machines on this folder. Okay, under this folder, we will create one more folder, and we'll provide the name to this folder as server-01. Okay, under this server-01, we are going to save the files of this virtual machine. Okay, and the name should be appeared here. Okay, it is showing new folder. Now it is showing server 1. Then we'll click OK. Then we'll click next. So we can provide the name to this virtual machine as well. So let us provide any meaningful name. Again, we'll provide the name as server-01. Then we'll click next, and the hard disk, it is selected 60 GB by default. Let us give 100 GB, and we will select the default setting. We'll go with the default setting, split virtual disk into multiple files. Then we'll click next, and here you will give you the information about what you have selected, like name server-01, and where you are going to save this virtual machine, virtual server. This is the path. Okay, and what is the version of this workstation? 16.x, and which operating system we are going to install? It is showing 2019, but we are going to install 2022 because it doesn't have the option 2022 here. We have selected the latest one, and hard disk space is 100 GB and memory is 2 GB. Okay, so you will get this information, and you will click OK, finish. You will click finish, and your virtual machine is created. You will get the virtual machine here, server 1. Now guys,